Hello YouTube, how are you doing? I'm not really in the mood for recording a video, so I was just going to shave, but I need to get some content out, I suppose, to keep the YouTube algorithm happy. So what are we using tonight? OSP, the Obsessive Soap Perfectionist, Eucalyptus and Lemon. So we're sticking with the citrus theme. Towel based soap made in Surrey by James Riley, who's no longer producing soap. He's at university as well as having a full-time job, so he's doing part-time study. Brush, Maseto 24mm Badger. The razor is a single edge Colonial General stainless with a feather pro in it. There's the razor, single edge with a feather artist club. I think that blade's on its third shave. As you can see, we've got a bit of hair to knock down. It is what it says on the tin, this one. Lemon, peppermint and menthol. Towel based, so it's not vegan friendly, but it's a very good soap base that James had when he was making soaps, in my opinion, without getting into all the modern butters and superfats. Quite a traditional base. Way overloaded, but hey, soap's cheap. No point skimping on it. I don't know if James plans to resume making soap when he's finished university. I think he's doing a PhD. I haven't spoken to him for a while. Must fix that one. Even though it's got menthol in it, it's not on the level of cryogen, or it's nice, it's a builder, you know it's there. Along with the peppermint and the lemon. But it's not a face freezer. I just don't feel like waffling shite to a camera for the sake of it. I just want to come in, shave and get out of town. But hey, there you go. That's got the belly washed. Colonial General. Colonial raises the General with a feather artist club. One of the advantages of letting the beard grow is you can track your hair growth. I mentioned this recently. So instead of just shaving down, across and up, you can actually shave with the grain and then across. I couldn't even bother with the Sony camera and I just picked up the old Panasonic. Threw that on the stand. Plenty of slickness from the soap. I don't think anybody's actually retailing. Maybe Soap Objects in Germany still retailing James's stuff. They were. Certainly getting more menthol in there. The second application of the soap. Just stop. It's amazing how more comfortable it is when you do the actual directions as opposed to the general directions, i.e. down, across, up. There's a hair and there's a sneeze. Hey. So yeah, if you do let your beard grow, it's worthwhile noting the direction of the hair growth. The shave is much more comfortable when you do it in the right direction as opposed to the general direction like you see everybody do on YouTube. The sneeze coming. That's better. Another nasal hair tickler. And the sneeze coming, I can feel it. But we're done, so crack and shave. I don't even feel like I need anything on. However, I've still got a little bit of my penguin left, Alcolado Glacial. This stuff has a huge amount of alcohol in it and it stings like a pig. There we go, we are done. Oh, it's got a good sting to it. It's a mentholated splash lotion. First picked this from Tenerife many years ago. Never seen it there since, only the 1 year. It's available from eBay, Amazon. Hasn't got much of a scent, good amount of alcohol, and gives you a decent burn. If you want to later on, you can throw some moisturiser on. Right, quick recap. Today was OSP. Lemon, peppermint and menthol. Really good soap. The scent is none of this arty-farty descriptions or titles. Lemon, peppermint, menthol. That's what you're getting. And that was lathered up with the Maseto. There we go, it's dried off now. Razor, Colonial General. Colonial razors, the General, stainless steel, was my favourite single edge. And there's the Artist Club blade that was in it. That's it folks, that's got a few days growth, whacked down, and the skin's starting to dry out now with the alcohol from the splash, so maybe it's moisturised later on. Any comments, questions or anything else, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.